Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 31st of December 2023 and I'm going to be going over the results of my option chain analysis prediction based front testing strategy for Tesla. Now I did mention in a video I made last week that instead of monthly option chain analysis, we are going to be doing weekly expiries, and every single prediction that is made is now going to be tracked on this Excel sheet and seeing whether it actually came true or not. So the week started on the 26th, so the Christmas week, and the week just ended on the 29th of December. And the open for this week was 254.49. My prediction from last week was no action because the inferences were all pretty neutral, and I predicted a sideways pattern, so there was no action to be taken this week. However, the weekly close was 248.48, so we have no P&L obviously because there was no action. But in coming weeks, these will be monitored, and if you go and watch my video on SPX, we can see that there was actually a trade which was profitable, so these will be monitored on this channel as well. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.